Today we're checking out 20 amazing tools under $50 that seriously over-deliver for the price. These are the kind of upgrades that make your projects smoother, faster, and way more satisfying without crushing your budget. Furniture Cam Lock Kit. Strong, clean, and easy to assemble. The Furniture Cam Lock Kit gives you everything you need to build sturdy, professional furniture that can be assembled and taken apart with ease. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a CNC milled carving disc for 115 and 125 millimeters angle grinders, designed for controlled wood shaping. Made from high-tenacity aluminum with replaceable carbide cutters, it offers durable performance up to 14,500 revolutions per minute and is made in Germany. inDexable Square System. The inDexable 18-inch combination square XL includes a stainless steel rule with 1-inch indexing for precise scribing and an XL head for accurate 45 and 90-degree angles. Made in the USA and customizable with additional components. Thin Rip Jig. The Going Make Thin Rip Guide fits most table saw miter slots and allows safe, repeatable thin strip cuts up to 8 inches. With a one-way roller bearing to reduce kickback, laser-engraved scales, and durable metal build, it delivers precise cuts as thin as 1/32 inch. Growltech Wood Lathe. The Growltech Wood Lathe combines a powerful 3-horsepower DVR motor with 8 programmable speeds for smooth, precise turning. A pivoting headstock, 15-degree indexing, and bed extension add versatility, while built-in dust collection and safety features keep your workspace clean and secure. Leather Strop. Keep every cut razor sharp with this leather paddle strop. Complete with polishing compound and an ergonomic ash handle, it's perfect for honing carving tools and knives with comfort and control. Plus bonus ebooks to master your sharpening skills. Carter Stabilizer. The Carter Stabilizer with Accurite 3 TPI blade delivers smooth, precise cutting, with precision-milled, induction-hardened teeth for extended life. Its durable flex-back construction and match-tooth welding ensure consistent performance and reliable results. Grabber. The Milescraft Grabber adds safety and control when using bench power tools. Its ergonomic handle keeps hands safely away from blades, while the non-marring diamond grip base securely holds your workpiece. Durable and high visibility, it's a reliable shop essential. Wood Chisel Set. This 4-piece wood chisel set features sharp, durable, high-strength steel blades with beveled edges for precise work. Comfortable beechwood handles and protective edge guards make it a reliable choice for both beginners and professionals. Tool Setting Gauge. This stainless steel tool setting gauge allows quick, precise height adjustments with a simple brass knob. Usable vertically or horizontally, it features micro detents down to 1/16 inch and offers nearly 2 inches of travel. Brad Nailer. This lightweight aluminum brad nailer drives 25 to 40 millimeter staples and 10 to 50 millimeter nails at 75 to 100 psi. It features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, contact mode safety system, and a magazine capacity of 80 staples or 100 nails for efficient operation. Tiny Chainsaw. The Tiny Chainsaw features an 8-inch bar and brushless motor for smooth, efficient cutting of thicker branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it includes dual batteries for longer runtime and uninterrupted work. Tiny Chainsaw. The tiny chainsaw features an 8-inch bar and brushless motor for smooth, efficient cutting of thicker branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it includes dual batteries for longer runtime and uninterrupted work. Number 43. Plough Plane. The Verum number 43 Plough Plane delivers precise grooves and rebates with smooth, quiet control. It features a stainless steel bow handle, adjustable fence, and 4 durable T10 blades, backed by a lifetime warranty for lasting performance. Mini Table Saw. This mini table saw delivers precise cutting for wood, plastic, PCB boards, and light metals. Powered by dual 795 motors, it offers smooth, reliable performance with adjustable blade height and multiple blade options, making it a versatile tool for detailed DIY and model projects. Precision Track Saw Parallel Guide. The Going Make Parallel Guide delivers precise, repeatable cuts up to 53 inches with 0.001-inch micro-adjustment. Easy to calibrate and use, it ensures perfectly parallel cuts while reducing errors and waste. GrabberPRO. GrabberPRO is an adjustable push block designed for precision and safety on table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Its interchangeable legs allow cuts as thin as 1/8 inch while maintaining contact on both sides of the blade to reduce kickback and keep hands protected. TSO MultiFunction Fence. The TSO MultiFunction Fence offers a solid, accurate reference edge with laser-engraved scales and a dual-arm flip stop for repeatable cuts. Made from durable aluminum, it mounts to 20mm hole-pattern worktops and installs upright or flat for versatile use. Festool Saw Blades. Festool Saw Blades feature a thin 1.6mm kerf for fast, efficient cutting with cordless saws. Made from high-quality steel with carbide teeth, they deliver clean rip and cross cuts in a wide range of wood materials, with color coding for easy selection. Blade Knife. The Pro Safety Trapezoidal Blade Knife features a sharp 61mm blade for precise cutting of carpet, wood, cardboard, and plastic. With automatic blade retraction, a durable zinc body, and a comfortable non-slip handle, it delivers safe, reliable performance and fits standard trapezoidal blades. That's the full lineup of smart, affordable tools worth adding to your setup. If one stood out, let me know. And subscribe for more great finds that bring big value for less.